Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we break down the best in tech, one review at a time. Today, we're talking about the Acer Nitro V gaming laptop, designed for gamers, creators, and anyone in need of powerful performance on the go. With a sleek, modern design and some seriously impressive specs, this machine promises to handle everything from intense gaming sessions to heavy creative workloads. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look. Under the hood, the Acer Nitro V is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS processor. This 8-core, 16-thread CPU is designed to handle multitasking with ease, delivering impressive performance for both gaming and productivity. The CPU's clock speeds and multi-core performance make it a great choice for office tasks, video editing, and even some lighter creative workflows. But the real magic happens when you pair it with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU. If you're into gaming or rendering graphics, the RTX 4060, enhanced with DLSS 3.5 technology, offers incredible performance. Expect lifelike visuals, stunning ray tracing effects, and faster frame rates, all with smoother gameplay thanks to AI-driven graphics. Whether you're gaming at ultra settings or pushing through demanding creative tasks like 3D rendering, the GPU is a serious workhorse. Now, no matter how powerful the CPU and GPU, it's the other specs that truly define the laptop's overall experience. You're getting 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, which is fast and more than enough for most tasks. It handles multiple browser tabs, office applications, and media editing without breaking a sweat. The 1TB Gen 4 SSD ensures fast boot times and quick access to your files, apps, and games, so you'll spend less time waiting and more time creating or gaming. And that storage is a game changer for anyone working with large files, especially video editors or gamers who need room for all their games and media. On the display side, the Acer Nitro V sports a 16-inch WUXGA screen with a 165Hz refresh rate. That's a seriously smooth display, especially for gaming. The 1920 by 1200 resolution provides clear, crisp visuals, and the 16:10 aspect ratio offers a bit more vertical screen real estate than your typical 16:9 display. Whether you're gaming, watching movies, or working on a creative project, this display really pops. The vibrant colors, thanks to 100% sRGB coverage, make media come to life. And with the MUX switch, you'll enjoy tear-free visuals. If you're looking for a high-performance screen, this one does not disappoint. When it comes to thermals, this laptop does a decent job of managing heat during demanding tasks, though. Like any powerful machine, it can get a bit warm under heavy loads. The fans are audible, but not overwhelmingly loud, and they do their job to keep the system cool during extended gaming or rendering sessions. While there isn't much thermal throttling reported in the typical reviews, long gaming sessions or heavy creative workflows will push the limits, so keep that in mind if you're using this on your lap. Battery life is another important consideration. With a laptop this powerful, you're not going to get marathon battery life. In light office work or web browsing, you can expect somewhere in the range of 5 to 7 hours, but during heavy use like gaming or content creation, that number will drop significantly. The good news is that it charges relatively fast, so you won't be waiting long to get back to work. Still, if you're planning on doing some serious gaming away from a power outlet, it's probably best to bring your charger along. When it comes to keyboard and trackpad, Acer has opted for a comfortable, spacious layout. The keys have decent travel and feedback, making long typing sessions pretty comfortable. The trackpad is responsive and accurate, though gamers will likely prefer to use a mouse. There's no touchscreen here, but considering the audience for this laptop, that's not a major drawback. Connectivity is another strong point. You've got all the ports you need: USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, and an SD card reader, which is perfect for those who need to hook up external devices or monitors. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6E ensures fast, reliable wireless connections, whether you're gaming online or streaming media. Bluetooth support is also on board for your peripherals and accessories. However, one thing to note is that the RAM is soldered, so you won't be able to upgrade it later, which may be a deal breaker for some. In terms of build quality, the Acer Nitro V feels solid, but it's definitely built with portability in mind. It's not the lightest laptop out there, weighing in at just over 5 pounds. So while it's definitely portable, it's not a featherweight. The chassis is made of plastic, but it feels well constructed, and the laptop is sturdy enough to withstand the daily rigors of travel and work. In terms of performance, this laptop really shines in gaming, with the RTX 4060 GPU handling modern titles like Call of Duty Warzone and Cyberpunk 2077 with ease. In testing, you can expect an average FPS of around 85 to 90 at high settings in most AAA titles, and with DLSS enabled, performance is even smoother, especially when playing at higher resolutions. The 165Hz display ensures those frames translate into buttery smooth visuals, which is a huge bonus for gamers. If you're into competitive gaming, the smoothness of the display paired with the GPU's power gives you a clear edge in fast-paced shooters. However, if you're more into light gaming or productivity, the Acer Nitro V is more than enough to handle anything you throw at it. So let's talk value for money. At its current price point, the Acer Nitro V offers solid performance for gamers and content creators alike, but it does come with some competition. In the same price range, you'll find laptops from brands like Asus and MSI that offer similar specs, but often with different trade-offs in display quality or thermals. The Nitro V edges ahead thanks to its combination of a fast, high-refresh display and powerful internals. But if portability or battery life is a higher priority for you, you might want to consider other options. When compared to other laptops in this range, the Acer Nitro V stands out for its gaming capabilities, display quality, and overall power. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6E and the solid GPU make it a great choice for those who want a laptop that handles everything from gaming to productivity. However, if you're looking for something with longer battery life or a lighter, more portable design, there are alternatives that might suit you better. In conclusion, the Acer Nitro V gaming laptop is a fantastic choice for gamers and creators who need strong performance and a beautiful display. It's not the most portable or longest-lasting laptop on the market, but its specs and features make it an excellent option for those who prioritize power and screen quality. If you're someone who needs a laptop for gaming, content creation, or general productivity, this one is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in to Reviewsinside.tv. If you liked this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest content. Got any questions or already own the Acer Nitro V? Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep gaming, creating, and living your best tech life.